Good morning, gardeners. Just out here in my beautiful backyard, just enjoying the morning. Drinking some iced coffee out of one of the only two containers that we have. It's hard when you move into a new place and all your stuff's at the other house and you're waiting for the movers to come. But we'll have more stuff than we know what to do with tomorrow. So, all right, well, I think I'm going to get a little bit of trimming done on some of these bushes and some of these vines and see what I can do to kind of clean things up a little bit. So come along with me. Let's go. Now here's something really fun. Check this out. This is my favorite insect in the whole wide world. I did my senior project in entomology on these guys. They are praying mantis, and they are the most badass insects on the planet. They will take a bird out of flight if it's big enough, and the bird is small enough, of course. But I'll tell you what, man, if you breed these in captivity inside a little container, which I did for my senior project, they will eat each other until there is only one, just like Highlander. Pretty awesome. So you guys, I don't really even know what in this garden is an annual and not an annual. That's definitely something I should ask Janie before she left yesterday, but I didn't get a chance. Is this an annual? Does it need to be deadheaded? Does it need to be replaced? I'm not sure. This is what it looks like when it's healthy. And that's what it looks like when it's dying, I guess. I'm not sure. Lantern hydrangea. That's what it is. Somebody told me yesterday. This one's got to have a couple dead heads taken off, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Well, I wanted to show everybody this. I wish Janie had done this through the whole yard. There is a tree down here that is labeled. This is Elegantissima dogwood. And that's this tree right here. Yeah. Which is kind of ironic because I gave her a dogwood to go to her new property. It's not an Elegantissima, it's a California variety, but kind of cool. Kind of cool. And I honestly wish that she would have done this through her whole garden. That would have been so great. Oh my gosh. All right, well, that's okay. I'll learn the names of these plants one day. Well, I filled the yard waste bin up the rest of the way, and I don't really know when garbage day is, so probably ought to quit for now. All right, let's learn together, you guys.